To download your software, you're first going to log into your account, and once you've logged in, you're going to find yourself on this welcome page. Now right down here on step 1, you're going to see two options. There's a Mac download and a PC download. Now click on the button that best matches your operating system. In this case, I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to click Mac download. When I click that button, you'll see a window pop up that asks me where I would like to save this. Now I'm going to just save this in my downloads, which if yours did not pop up and ask this question, it might go there automatically. So I'm going to click save, and I'm going to go ahead and be ready to open that software now. Now one thing I'm going to say is I'm not going to open it from this little downloads button here in the browser. I'm going to open it actually on my computer from the downloads folder. When I first click to open this file from the downloads folder, you'll see this window pop up. Now one key feature you must do is click enable macros. Now the default is to say disable, but make sure you click enable, because the way that the Focus First software works is it uses the macros in the back end of Microsoft Excel to do a lot of the data crunching and get you the good information. So click enable macros, and then in a couple seconds it's going to open up this dialog box asking if you'd like to activate your software. You're going to click yes, and you have a new box here that asks for your activation code. Now to find your activation code, hopefully you kept your window open when you logged in. If not, you're going to log in again. You're going to jump back to your home page or your welcome page. Under step 2 of your welcome page, you will see a box here where this blank spot is on mine because this is a demo account, but you'll see a long list of numbers, and that is your activation code. So you're going to take those numbers and type them in this activation code box. Once you do that, go ahead and click OK. Once you've clicked OK, you should have gotten a box that said your product is now activated, and now the software looks just like this and is ready to use.